Welcome to Trinayani's Towards Inclusion Disability Awareness Card Game Kit. Our Towards Inclusion Disability Awareness Card Game Kit includes 6 thrilling card games, a story-cum workbook, and an answer booklet. In this video, I will tell you a little more about our card game, Inclusion Bingo. The instruction sheet given with the card game will familiarize you with the rules of the game. The Inclusion Bingo card game is similar to the popular Housey. The aim is to become aware of disability-specific vocabulary. It has 5 numbered bingo sheets with vocabulary on it, so you definitely need 5 players to play this game. And it has 45 numbered bingo cards with pictures on it. The idea is to match the correct card to the corresponding vocabulary on the bingo sheet. Now, it's quite possible that you may not be aware of a certain vocabulary or may not recognize a picture, and so to help you make the right match, we have provided a number on each square of the bingo sheet, all the 5 bingo sheets, which has a corresponding picture card with the same number. The person who finds all 12 matching picture cards on their bingo sheet is the winner. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial video. The instruction sheet provided with each card game is very easy to understand, so get going. And remember, a family which plays together stays together.